I'm the first vice president of BQM Power Public Company Limited. It's a power company based in Thailand. My department is on the energy technology, so we are responsible for looking at new and innovative technology. The most beneficial part of our trip so far has been the site visit. So to see actual projects in action was really very beneficial for our understanding of the technology and the way it's applied in the real world. We also have a chance to meet some companies where their product could be a match for what we need. Northern Ireland's expertise in decarbonization and renewable energy is really fantastic. We have encountered a lot of companies that are really focused and doing a lot of deep research into new and innovative technologies, which could probably revolutionize, the fight against climate change. I would encourage Southeast Asian companies to take a look at Northern Ireland and what they could offer in terms of decarbonization and renewable energy technologies.